3 DM scripts to turn followers into buyers. If selling in DMS feels awkward or intimidating, you're not alone. Many people want to connect with their audience but freeze up when it comes time to make an offer. If you want to start an online business and use direct messages without feeling pushy, this video is for you. In this video, we walk through 3 simple DM scripts you can adapt to your own voice. These aren't aggressive sales messages, they're conversation starters designed to build connection first and invite the right people into the next step. You'll learn how to start genuine conversations with people who already engage with your content. Respond naturally when someone mentions a problem you can help solve. Share your resource or kit in a way that feels helpful, not salesy. This approach is especially helpful for online business beginners who want to sell with confidence but don't want to pressure or chase people. When your DMs sound human, selling becomes a conversation, not a pitch. You don't need fancy closing techniques. You need simple language that invites curiosity and keeps the interaction comfortable for both sides. The Social Marketing Advantage Digital Kit is a practical digital product that includes more DM conversation starters, follow-up ideas, and simple frameworks, so selling in the DMs feels natural and repeatable. It's especially useful if you're working with resale rights digital kits and want an easy, ethical way to turn conversations into sales.